Hello guys, how are you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to register at University of South Africa, UNISA. So I'm gonna take you step by step, and kindly don't forget to subscribe and like in this YouTube channel, and thank you for your support. So guys, when you dial www.unisa.ac.za, what will happen is that you're gonna find a page like this one. Sometimes might be different, but you will see everywhere written register. So you can click here on this registration. When you click here on this registration, because you're gonna be doing either you're gonna be doing a semester module or year modules. So if you are undergraduate, especially for undergraduate, because I'm doing this video for undergraduates, you can come and click here in undergraduate. So you can see it's undergraduates there. Then when you click here, you can start maybe by navigating, but I'm gonna skip some of the steps. You can navigate to calculate, let's say, to find your qualifications. So in your qualifications here, it depends on which faculty are you. So if you are in faculty of law or faculty of education, you can click here in one of these. Or if you are in faculty of engineering, you can click in one of these. There is for engineering also, or for law. So I'm gonna just randomly select. Maybe you are in faculty of accounting science. So in accounting science, there you will see it will show you what degree, which degree are you doing. There are only 4 degrees here, so you can choose one of the one you registered for, but this one is not really necessary. Just to highlight the modules, you're still gonna see them there. So quickly, if you have to, you can go and say submit, register now. When you click on register now, it will take you to this page. When it takes you to this page, you will have to answer these few questions: undergraduate or postgraduate. Because you're gonna be in undergraduate, you're gonna say go to undergraduate, and then you're gonna reach this stage here whereby it's gonna ask you if your answer yes, if you are have you ever registered at UNISA previously, yes or no. So if you have never registered before, which means you are going to go this way, that you are never registered. But if you have registered, if you are a current returning student, you can say yes. You can click on registers. Then it will ask you if you have a student number. Do you have a student number? Were you provided with a student number? If you are provided with your student number, you're going to click it. But if you don't have a student number, it means that you have to apply for a student number. You have to do another application. So you're going to click here on yes. So after that, when you have applied here, you're going to fill in your student number. Make sure that when you fill your sign name, you must fill your full names exactly the way it is in your ID. Then when you fill like that, it's gonna take you to another level. Sometimes when you fill here, it's gonna let you fill 2 times. So after that, when you fill here, let me just show you how. I'm gonna just do some other details here. After when you're done filling, it's gonna take you to this page. For example, it's gonna take you and it's gonna show you which degree are you registering for, or which qualification you are registering for. So you will have to press next. When you press next, it's gonna take you to a page whereby you have to fill if you're unemployed, or if you have if you are qualifying for NSFAS, you have to tick there. You just fill in, and then after that you're gonna select. You must select all your modules, 10 of them, especially if you are on NSFAS bursary. So you must select all the modules, irrespective of you are doing the first year's semester modules or year modules. So select all the modules that you want to do the rest of the year. So if you are an NSFAS student, unless others, if you are doing semester modules and you are self-paid, you are paying for yourself, so that's when you can select half if you want to, but that's how it works. So after that, the process after going on is very simple. So if you will have a problem, you can also let us help you. Our contact are gonna be there below. Thank you and have a good day.